let's talk about Claude's artifacts and why you should care as an educator. But before I tell you all about it, don't forget to save this video for later. I am Andy and I help educators and students to understand how to use artificial intelligence to enhance their capabilities. Let's go! First, go to Claude so we can enable the Artifacts feature. Click on Tools, and immediately after that, click on Artifacts. Claude's artifacts are editable interactive spaces like mini web apps, lesson tools, templates, or creative projects that you build by simply describing what you need. This is what's known as vibe coding. You guide, Claude builds. No coding experience needed. And they're not quite like GPTs. Think of it like this. GPTs are assistants. Artifacts are your actual creations where you turn your ideas into tools you can use, edit, run, and share all in one place. But let's start with the good news. Artifacts are available to free, Pro, and Max users on both desktop and cell phones. And you don't even have to start from scratch. Claude now includes an artifacts library filled with ready-made examples you can explore, remix, or use for inspiration. Everything is organized into categories: apps and websites, creative projects, games, quizzes, templates, and more. You just choose what fits your idea or your classroom needs, and Claude scaffolds it with real working code behind the scenes. This is a golden opportunity for you and your students to build live, usable learning tools. One simple idea, create a vocabulary quiz game that you can adapt depending on the topic. Or something that I'm working on right now is building something a little bit more complex like Vera, an app that helps educators, students, and even parents explore ethical decisions in an AI world through infinite real-life scenarios. Here's what makes it different. You are not just generating content, you're building something that works, something your students can use, click, or even remix themselves. If you've built one already or you're curious to try, share it in the comments, or even better, tell me what's one classroom challenge you wish you could build a solution for. In the meantime, I'm going to keep on working on mine. Bye.